Looking to level up your projects with some serious precision? Self-leveling laser levels are total game changers for everything from hanging pictures to full-blown renovations. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best self-leveling laser levels that actually deliver without breaking the bank. I've done my homework, checked out real user feedback, and I'm giving you the straight-up honest truth. All the links are down in the description, so let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Motivera laser level, and honestly, this thing delivers serious bang for your buck. You're getting green beam technology, self-leveling capability, and a complete kit with tripod and carrying bag at a fraction of what premium models cost. This laser projects bright green lines up to 100 feet with 4 adjustable brightness levels. That means you can dial it in whether you're working in a dimly lit basement or a bright room with lots of windows. The self-leveling kicks in automatically within 4 degrees, so you're not wasting time fiddling with manual adjustments. What really stands out here is the IP54 waterproof rating. You can use this outdoors without worrying about a little moisture or dust ruining your investment. The pulse mode extends your range when you pair it with a detector, giving you professional-level functionality without the professional price tag. Here's what you should know, though. The build quality isn't quite as robust as the premium options on this list. If you're a contractor dropping tools daily on job sites, you might find the housing a bit less durable. For careful use, it's perfectly fine. The value proposition is absolutely insane. You're paying maybe a quarter of what top-tier models cost, but you're getting solid performance for occasional to moderate use. For DIYers and weekend warriors who need accuracy without breaking the bank, this is your entry point into quality laser levels. At number 4, the Huepar LS03CG steps things up significantly, with 3 full 360-degree laser lines. This is where you transition from basic functionality to professional-grade coverage that contractors actually rely on. Those 3 360-degree green beams mean you get 1 horizontal line wrapping around the entire room, plus 2 vertical lines, creating a complete grid. Imagine setting up tile work, installing drop ceilings, or framing walls. You've got reference lines everywhere you look, without moving the laser even once. The rechargeable USB-C battery is clutch for anyone who hates constantly buying AA's. You can charge it from a power bank, your truck, or any standard USB port. The complete accessory kit includes a target pad that helps you spot the beam in bright conditions, and a magnetic stand that mounts to metal studs or hangs from screws. Here's the consideration, though. This model doesn't include a remote control like some higher-end Huepars. If you're working solo and need to fine-tune positioning from across the room, you'll be walking back and forth. For most applications, though, you set it once and forget it. The compact hard-shell case keeps everything organized and protected. You're getting professional 3-plane coverage at roughly half the price of comparable Bosch or DEWALT models. For serious DIYers and pros who need full room coverage, this is exceptional value. Number 3 brings us to the Bosch GLL5020G, and this is where German engineering really shines. Bosch doesn't mess around with laser levels, and this model proves why they've dominated job sites for decades. That VisiMax technology is genuinely impressive. The laser monitors its own power consumption in real time to maximize line brightness while extending battery life. You're getting green beams that are 4 times brighter than standard red lasers, visible up to 65 feet without a receiver, with accuracy within a quarter inch at 30 feet. The IP55 rating means serious dust and water resistance. This laser survives real construction environments. The full rubber overmold protects every impact point, so when it inevitably gets knocked off a ladder or kicked across the floor, it keeps working. The smart pendulum system self-levels, then locks when you power down for safe transport. Here's what to consider, though. The 65-foot range is shorter than some competitors offering 100-plus feet. If you're regularly working in large commercial spaces or outdoors, you'll need to add a detector to extend that range, which means extra cost. The dual power system lets you run standard AA batteries or upgrade to Bosch's rechargeable lithium-ion pack. That flexibility is huge. You're paying Bosch premium, but you're getting legendary reliability and build quality that'll outlast cheaper alternatives by years. This is the buy-it-for-life option. At number 2, we've got the DEWALT DW088K. And if you've spent any time on construction sites, you know this yellow and black means business. This laser is the definition of workhorse reliability. The 165-foot range is absolutely massive for a cross-line laser. You can lay out entire commercial spaces, outdoor decking projects, or multi-room renovations without moving your setup. The beam visibility stays strong in varied lighting because DEWALT nailed the optics. That integrated magnetic bracket is brilliant. Snap it onto metal studs, HVAC ducts, or scaffolding, and you're instantly mounted and working. Battery life is legendary. You're getting over 30 hours of continuous use from 4 AA batteries. That's weeks or even months of typical project work between battery changes. The overmolded housing and thick glass shields protect internal components while maintaining calibration through drops, bumps, and environmental abuse. Here's the trade-off, though. This is a red beam laser. While it's bright and clear, you won't get the same visibility as green lasers in bright conditions. If you're working primarily indoors or can control lighting, it's not an issue. Outdoors in sunlight, you'll want that detector. The full-time pulse mode compatibility with DEWALT's detector means unlimited range extension. For professionals who need bulletproof reliability and DEWALT's service network backing them up, this is the gold standard. You're investing in a tool that'll still be accurate 10 years from now. And here's our number 1 pick, the Huepar 2026 upgraded model. And this thing is legitimately the most advanced laser level in this price range. Huepar took everything contractors asked for and built it into one incredible package. 3 full 360-degree green beams with exceptional accuracy of plus or minus 1/13 of an inch at 33 feet. That's 33% more accurate than competing models. The angle display screen shows tilt for both X and Y axes, battery level, and brightness settings. You're getting real-time data that eliminates guesswork completely. The remote control fine adjustment is game-changing. You can tweak laser positioning from across the room or from your working position without touching the unit. That auto sensor mode alerts you instantly if the laser gets bumped or disturbed. No more discovering your reference line shifted 3 hours into a tile job. Here's what you should know. All these features mean more complexity. The learning curve is steeper than basic models. You'll spend some time with the manual understanding all the functions. Once you're familiar, though, you'll never want to go back to simpler lasers. The 5200 milliamp hour rechargeable battery delivers 8 hours of runtime, and that 5-year warranty is absurdly good. First year gets you brand new replacement if anything goes wrong. Years 2 through 5 still get you refurbished or equivalent units free. For professionals running this daily or serious DIYers who demand the best, this is your ultimate laser level. Those are the 5 best self-leveling laser levels you can grab right now. Whether you're working with a tight budget or need professional-grade precision, there's an option here that'll transform how you work. Don't forget to check those Amazon links below for current deals. Thanks for watching.